As always, it's important to look at markets from a macro perspective as opposed to in isolation. Right now, traditional markets are still enjoying a risk-on tilt with equity indexes hitting new records on positive earnings data. It's worth remembering, though, that this will be a pretty dynamic week of trading with a Fed meeting, jobs data on Friday, and also some earnings along the way. In the crypto space, while I can't say we're hitting new records, there is strength. So Bitcoin is closing the session just down 0.5% at around 61,000. But while that's happening, the Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, currently at 43.7. That actually means that alts are rallying or at least outperforming. So Polkadot is on fire, just blew up 17% on the session alone, breaking its previous all-time high, breaking its previous record close, etc. I did tell you there was strengths. And then there's more, coins like DYDX, STX, Chainlink, also on a ramp up with 5%, 15% gains. I do want to say something though. I don't think we're in a fight between alts and Bitcoin, meaning we're not in a zero-sum game with capital cycling from one or the other. There's plenty of fresh capital flowing in and plenty more activity to come all around. So the current stagnation in Bitcoin, if we can call it that, for me is just a consolidation at those elevated levels to go even higher. A beautiful graph from Crypto Quant shows the unspent transaction output just breaking a 5-month range, which supports further price appreciation. And then the data seems to be corroborated by another chart from Glassnode, this time looking at the relative value transferred, so transactions relative to the price of the underlying asset. And it seems to indicate that the amount of transaction relative to the current level hints at bullishness even more. Maybe an even more telling chart is coming from Jarvis Lab, showing the purchases made by Bitcoin ETPs and closed-ended funds. And over the past months, they've bought more than miners were distributing. So I'll let you figure out what happens when people buy more than is supplied. As if this wasn't enough, we've picked up on a Valkyrie following up an application for a physical exposure ETF, which is naturally more accretive to the space and Bitcoin prices as opposed to the futures trading one. But the deadline was pushed back actually by the SEC to January 2022, so just in a couple of months. Okay, last graph of the day before I leave you. We're not the only ones picking up on the interest. Traditional banks themselves keep on adding jobs. Right now, there's more than 1,000 crypto-related positions added since 2018. So I think other people are aware. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, share, comment. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.